Welcome to the exciting holidays on June 9th. This special day is full of celebrations for everyone, no matter what you like to do. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax, there's a holiday for you. Don't forget to send happy thoughts to those having birthdays or other important events today. National Donald Duck Day. National Donald Duck Day is observed annually on June 9th. This day is dedicated to celebrating Donald Duck, the classic Disney character known for his distinctive voice and somewhat temperamental personality. Donald Duck made his first screen debut on June 9, 1934, in the animated short film The Wise Little Hen, which was part of the Silly Symphony series. Created by Walt Disney when he heard Clarence Nash doing an unusual voice while reciting Mary Had a Little Lamb, Donald Duck went on to become one of the most iconic and beloved characters in Disney's pantheon. Over the years, Donald Duck has appeared in various cartoons, films, comic books, and has been a popular character in Disneyland and Disney World theme parks. He's known for his sailor suit, his semi-intelligible speech, and his humorous and somewhat rebellious character. National Sex Day. National Sex Day is an informal observance that takes place on June 9th in the United States. The date was chosen due to the numerical representation, 6/9, corresponding with the 69 sexual position. The day is intended to promote open and healthy discussions about sex, sexual health, and positive sexual relationships. It encourages people to feel comfortable about their sexuality, seek answers to their sexual health questions, and make informed decisions about sexual activities. It's important to remember that these discussions should always be respectful, consensual, and appropriate for the situation and audience. And while National Sex Day can provide an opportunity to discuss these topics, it's essential to have open and honest conversations about sexual health and relationships all year round. Always prioritize consent, respect, and safety in all sexual activities. Day of Murcia. The Day of Murcia, also known as Día de la Región de Murcia in Spanish, is a regional holiday in the autonomous community of Murcia in southeastern Spain. It is celebrated annually on June 9th. This day commemorates the anniversary of the approval of the Statute of Autonomy of the region of Murcia, which was enacted on June 9, 1982. The statute granted Murcia autonomy within the Spanish state, providing the region with its own government and parliament. On this day, various festivities and cultural events are usually held across the region to celebrate Murcia's unique heritage, history, and traditions. This may include parades, concerts, exhibitions, traditional dances, food fairs, and other activities. National Strawberry Rhubarb Pie Day. National Strawberry Rhubarb Pie Day is celebrated annually on June 9th in the United States. As you might guess, the day is dedicated to appreciating the sweet and tangy dessert that combines strawberries and rhubarb in a delicious pie. Strawberry Rhubarb Pie Day is one of the many food-related holidays celebrated in the United States. Strawberries and rhubarb both come into season in the spring and early summer, making this the perfect time to bake and enjoy a fresh strawberry rhubarb pie. On this day, people might choose to bake their own strawberry rhubarb pies at home or enjoy a slice from a local bakery. Some might even share recipes, host pie baking contests, or simply indulge in a slice of this unique pie that perfectly balances the sweetness of strawberries with the tartness of rhubarb. National Meal Prep Day. National Meal Prep Day is an annual observance that falls on the second Sunday in January. Initiated by the meal delivery service Freshly, the day is dedicated to the concept of meal prepping, the practice of preparing and portioning meals ahead of time to simplify cooking throughout the week. Meal prepping can offer several benefits such as saving time, reducing stress, promoting healthier eating habits, and potentially reducing food waste. It can involve making large batches of a single recipe to eat over several days, preparing and portioning individual ingredients to quickly assemble into meals, or any other practice that makes mealtime easier and more efficient. On National Meal Prep Day, individuals might choose to explore new recipes, try out meal prepping techniques, or share their own meal prep tips and tricks. It can also be a good day to start a new habit of meal prepping, if it's something you've been interested in but haven't yet tried. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.